bitch, I ain't coming to the circus. Broke ass niggas on the internet hurting. Big booty bitch getting rich off twerking. Fuck that, if I had a dick, make 'em suck that. Pull up to the club, making niggas get the fuck back. Superstar, and you little hoes my group. I'm done giving 15 minutes to these goofies. Big wheels rolling, can't tell how shit feel. Bitch, I change when I only got big bitch problem. In that waist on coke bottle. Walking these hoes like a runway model. Trust me, I'm finna get free like Tubman. I never let another label try to fuck me. Bad bitch, and I'm on point like a cactus. I bet a real bitch be the last one laughing. Here kitty kitty, here kitty kitty, here kitty, here kitty kitty, here kitty kitty. Here kitty kitty, here kitty kitty, here kitty, here kitty kitty, here kitty kitty. Pussy ass nigga don't hide that tail. Number one rule, don't kiss and tell. Ass so fat, finna break that scale. Here kitty kitty, here kitty kitty, yeah. These bitches keep saying they run shit how? When the last time you hoes even worked out? And running your mouth don't count. Messy ass bitch, close the motherfucking app out. Is anybody around this bitch keeping score? Grammy nominated pussy bitch, I got 4. Cover at the cover, I'm raw, no rubber. All year round having hot girl summer. I'm the shit, that's why these hoes pissed. I can spit a tea, but I'm not a messy bitch. And